And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
It's like first tried it, I was like, ऐसा भी होता है. I just fall in love with myself. Hi my girls, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe. So today I'm gonna share a few of my favorite beauty products. It's gonna be about hair, beauty, and a few of my books, favorite books which I have been loving recently, and some series. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So a little disclaimer before starting the video that these are the things which worked for me. So if you want to buy them, please before applying them, before using them, do the patch test. So yeah, let's get into the now. Starting with the hair care products, I am obsessed with this. Like, this is L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil and I am hooked with this product and I get the hype. जब ये hype हुआ था, I thought of starting give it a try and obsessed with this girl. Like, it does the job like magically and I just need a drop of it and it tames my all the frizz. So if you are suffering from frizzy hair problem and जो dullness आ जाती है, like, get this and trust me, it will works heavenly on your hair. Now next, my favorite hair product is this Wow Skin Science ka hair mask. It is sunflower biolipids and argan oil hair mask, and I've used few of other hair masks, but I just go back to it and I have almost finished it, and this never disappoints me. Like, it makes my hair silky and smooth and straight. So I just love it. Okay, talking about the face products, this is the first thing I want to talk about because I love this. Like, this is Plum ka green tea renewed clarity night gel and I use this in my night routine and I'm using it from 2-3 years. Like, I have finished at least 20 to 25 tubs, I don't even remember, and I'm obsessed with it. You can see, and इसका थोड़ा consistency gel जैसा है and it is perfect for acne prone skin. It gives me that balanced hydration and works for my acne scars, and I'm obsessed with this. Just count how many times I will say obsessed and comment down below because yeah, I've been using these products from 2-3 years and they works for me, so I am obsessed with them. And some of the products I have started using recently and I have fallen in love with them too. So yeah, with that, talking about this Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum, this is available on Purple app. It's an app like Nykaa beauty app, so you can find it there, and I just add this in my moisturizer in my morning routine and it works for me. It hydrates my skin. It also works on my acne scars. I feel like it works, and yeah, I just love this, and it comes like consistency is pretty good for according to the serum. I started using this serum only for rose hip and I haven't tried any other brand because I'm so loyal and I just use this for 2-3 years now. So yeah. Okay, next is this Clinique Moisture Surge and it says it gives 72-hour auto replenish hydration, which is true because काफ़ी hype हुआ था, so I thought of giving it a try. So मैंने छोटा टब मंगाया and when I used it, I was like, girl, it worth the hype and it worth the money. Because whenever I feel like मेरी skin dull हो रही है या मतलब hydration नहीं है, so I just use it and सुबह उठ के it's like, and yeah, it gives me that hydration जो मेरी skin की ज़रूरत होती है, and मैं इसको रोज़ यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. Whenever I feel like I need a little bit more hydration in my skin and my skin is looking dull, I just go for this. Okay girls, I am not into makeup. Like, I am too scared to use makeup, but yeah, like, you have to get into it some way or the other. So I've started using this primer. This is, I don't know it's visible or not, this is this L'Oreal Base Magique Transforming Smoothing Primer, and it does wonders for my skin because I have acne prone skin and some pores issue over here near T-zone पे pores issue है, तो it just smooth out my skin, smooth out my pores. And when I first tried it, I was like, ऐसा भी होता है, it's like magical. Like if you have acne prone skin, just please give it a try and just do the patch test first, because I am not recommending, I'm not a dermatologist, I'm just telling you with my experience. So please, if you want, give it a try, and this works for me, so I'm just telling you guys. For मैंने अभी भी अप्लाई किया हुआ है, and yeah, it does the job pretty well. I'm impressed. So I'm just swearing on this product for now. You know the drill, whenever you are using makeup you have to remove it, so it is very important. So I use this Bioderma ka makeup remover, and when I used it I was like, मतलब सब कुछ स्किन से निकल गया, सारी इम्प्योरिटी सब कुछ बाहर, लाइक ऐसे किसी ने खींच लिया हो. आई फेल्ट लाइक दैट, एंड या इट लिटरली वर्कड फॉर मी. एंड पहले आई वॉज सो स्कैर्ड कि लाइक एक्ने हो गया तो एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ, बट आई थिंक लाइक दैट प्राइमर एंड दिस वर्कड फॉर मी, बिकॉज लाइक सारी जो भी मेकअप जो सीप इन हो जाता है आपका, वो जस्ट टेक्स आउट दैट makeup. So it is important to remove your makeup, and I just do the double cleanse. I just use this, I just remove my makeup with the cotton pad, and then I use coconut oil. Like I have, for now I use coconut oil to remove after double cleansing, for double cleansing, and then I wash my face once again. So yeah, that's the drill, and yeah, I'm liking it for now. This is the one product which I never regretted buying, is this Laneige lip sleeping mask, and it just instantly hydrates your lips and it makes it so supple, and I just swear by this. This is amazing for chapped lips, for dull lips, and yeah, I use it for my night routine, and it just gives me that perfect instant hydration in the morning. Whenever I use this shower gel, I just feel like I just fall in love with myself. I don't know. Like, comment if you use it and you feel the same. It is this Body Shop ka British Rose Shower Gel, and this smell like, oh god, I just fall in love with myself whenever I just take a bath with it. And I just put some on my loofah, and I just enjoy my shower time whenever I use this. I don't use it on regular basis. I use on some special basis when I just feel like yeah, आज थोड़ा सा मज़ा आना चाहिए shower में. Otherwise I use Lux, or I have tried Nivea, Dove का, but I go to this whenever I want to feel special, and just self care pamper routine जब होता है, day मेरा होता है, I just go for this, and I love this product. Girl, you should get it, and you will fall in love with yourself more. Let me quickly talk about my favorite books. I have started reading this book, Steal Like an Artist, and I'm not getting कहाँ पे रख दी है मैंने, but I'll add the clip over here. And it's a good book for creators out there, and it's a very light-hearted kind of a book, and I'm loving it. It gives me a different perspective to see things. And next is this, The Art of Good Life by Rolf Dolby, and it is a very practical book. I'm reading it for the second time, and it gives me the practical tools to add into my life, and literally they are so practical. I just love this book, and when you will read it, you will surely gonna add these things into your life, and this will make your life so much easier and practical. Now, talking about the series I'm loving recently is The Bold Type, and I've seen people talking about it, so I thought of giving it a try, and I'm just hooked with it. I have watched 2 episodes for now, but I'm just loving it. It's not like literally a feminist kind of a series, but it's more into fashion, and it's a very different kind of a feminism उसमें है, तो I'm just loving it for now, and yeah, that's it for the video, and I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you've enjoyed it, my recommendations, and it distracted you for a time for what is going on everywhere, and it is very, very disheartening at the same time, but yeah, distracting yourself will keep you sane for now. And I know it is very, very difficult for most of us because people are losing their loved ones, and it is very difficult, but in the end we have to go on. So I thought of just giving it a try so that I could distract you guys, and I hoped it worked. And just comment down below your favorite product and how you guys are doing, how you guys are dealing with what is happening. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.